Hey guys, welcome to a new video and welcome to the channel. In today's video, this is a topic I hate to talk about, and that's oil leak. I've just recently found out that my BMW, it just got a bit of oil leak. So in this video I will try to get that solved, and I will show you where the oil leak is coming from. By the way, I got a black grill as well recently. I think it just looks nice. You can probably already see it. It's not coming from the oil filter housing. I checked it, I cleaned it throughout, and I also got it inspected by my mechanic. After cleaning the whole bit, we found out that the oil leak possibly could be coming from somewhere in there. What this is doing is it's splashing out oil. Now my mechanic, he suggested me to change one of the pipe, which is called the intercooler turbo host pipe, which I've ordered from eBay. Only costed me like £14. So I have to remove this cover and just get it replaced. So let me get my tools. Alright. Let's try T30. Right, so the cover is off now. You can see this is the pipe that I will be changing. There's two clamps holding this pipe, so I would be using a flat screwdriver to get this removed. So this is the second clamp that's holding on. What I did was I pushed the pipe this way, so it's easier for me to take this clamp off. I just need to show you this, that I can see some trace of oil in here. See this pipe? Yeah, there's a bit of oil in there. I can see. I don't really see any visible crack. Anyway, let's get this replaced. As always, before you replace any parts, just check it with the old parts to make sure that you're replacing the same thing. So has been installed. Let me go and start the car. What I'm gonna do now is I will get this engine bay cleaned. I'm gonna spray a bit of brake cleaner in here and just give it a nice clean. I will drive it for 1 or 2 days, observe this engine to see if there's any further leak. You can see that the engine bay is now clean, and I'll just leave it as it is. I'm just taking the car for a quick test drive. Let's see how it goes. Let's push it a bit. It's 3000 RPM. I do have to say that I feel like the car is giving out a bit more power. Before it used to lack. Definitely drives much better than before. Small pipe, and what a difference it makes. Just got back from the drive. You can see it's clean now. That's it. I think the oil leak just stopped, and wow, whew, feeling relief now. So all I've done was change the intercooler turbo hose pipe, and that's it. It just stopped my oil leak issue on my BMW E39. It's a simple pipe, and what a difference it just made. I went for a drive, and I have to say that it just drives much better than before. I feel like it gained maybe a few horsepowers. I don't know, I'm just kidding. Right, least no more oil leak. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, just do make sure to press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you for my next video. Thank you for watching.